Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is cheesy green kebabs, a super delicious and healthy for sure tea time snack, can also be served as a party snack and can be a healthy choice for your kids' snack box. So let's get on with it. I have taken here half a cup of split moong dal and half a cup of chana dal or chickpeas and soaked it in the water for 3 hours. First I will keep some water to boil on the stove top and sprinkle some salt. And meanwhile I will dry roast some spices. 2 tablespoonful of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoonful of jeera, half a teaspoonful of black pepper, 1 bay leaf, 1 mace or Javentri, 1 nutmeg, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves and a cinnamon stick. You can skip the options of mace and nutmeg, but these spices actually give you a proper flavor of a kebab. Now I am putting 1 bowl of spinach into the boiling water to blanch. Now my spices are dry roasted. Now I will dry grind it. Now the spices are dry ground. Now the spinach is blanched properly. I'll switch off the flame and I'll drain off the hot water from the spinach and wash it with cold water. Now it's time to grind the dal. With the spinach, I have drained off all extra water after washing it with cold water. Some chopped ginger, one tablespoonful of lemon juice, some salt, little bit of sugar, and a little bit of turmeric. If you need, use a little bit of water, but I won't make it a paste. What we need here is a kind of grainy texture. Now my mixture is ready. See, it's a little bit coarse in texture, and I have also kept the saucepan over here to be heated. And I need other ingredients now, like my dry ground spice or the masala. Now this masala or the spice, you can store it in an airtight container up to 1 month and use it as per your needs. Now I'm giving 1 and a half teaspoonful of the spice. It's as per your taste. Half teaspoon of chaat masala, chopped onion. If you wish, you can use chopped green chilies or red pepper powder. Now I will use chickpea flour. Here I'll give you one trick. I'm using here the coarse chickpea flour, which is a little bit grainy in texture. So in chickpea flour you have two options. One is the fine one and the other one is the coarse one. So if you feel that your mixture is still a little bit watery or the moisture is still in it, you have to use the coarse chickpea flour to absorb the moisture and to make it crunchier. So here I have already used 1 teaspoon here, and this is the second teaspoon. So 2 teaspoonful of the coarse chickpea flour I have used, and then 1 and half a teaspoonful of breadcrumbs, some salt, now with all the ingredients you have to mix this properly. Now see, the moisture is getting absorbed properly with the chickpea flour and the breadcrumb. Now my mixture is ready. You just rub a little bit of oil on your palm and start making the kebabs. First you have to make a ball, and then make a hole at the center, and I'm using here a little bit of cheese. This is a stick cheese. I have cut into small pieces, and again make it a ball, and then give it a shape of a kebab. See. Now put some oil in the pan. We will shallow fry the kebabs. Now my oil is heated, and I'll place the kebabs now. Now flip it over. but don't do it until and unless one portion is golden brown. Do it very carefully. Now my mouth-watering cheesy green kebabs are ready to serve, which is packed with protein, vitamins as well as iron. I have given all the details of the ingredients in the description box. Please try it out, and if you like the video, please hit the like option, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.